welcome folks once again to Laika's book. It's a new edition, it's a new unboxing. Let's just get started. So this is a limited edition car from GT Spirit. And even the real model is a limited edition car. Only 300 of the real car is going to be made. Quality control as always.
Could have
Okay, so here is the model in the flesh. We have unscrewed it completely. Isn't it a piece of engineering? It is so aerodynamic. In fact, all Koenigsegg models are aerodynamic in nature, because especially this frontal area, the windshield, it's very aerodynamic. So this is the Koenigsegg Gemera. This is a hypercar from the Swedish manufacturer, and it's the first 4-seater hybrid car that they have made for the world. Only 300 of these babies are going to be produced all over the world. It's so stunning. It's very futuristic, as I just mentioned, and the detailing is done very well by GT Spirit. This is a very delicate item also, since it's a resin model, and I just cannot show you the doors the way they open like this. But since this is a sealed model, I cannot show you any details inside. But I'll do my best. I'll also upload pictures for your judgment and better understanding.
I could have
So as you can see from the top, there are 4 cup holders. Okay, you can see the engine also, where they have clearly mentioned Koenigsegg. In the rear you have a spoiler, integrated spoiler, Koenigsegg Gemera. The specs of this car are mind-boggling. It's crazy. The hood scoop, the Michelin tires, beautiful looking interiors, very sporty. The design in itself is very captivating. It's a piece of engineering. So the specs, as I just mentioned, they are crazy. This car produces 2,300 horsepower and 2,750 of torque, Newton meters of torque, and this is completely crazy. It has got 4 individual electric motors for all 4 wheels, and also a hot V8 as they have mentioned, and these are the dark matter so-called electric motors, which are individually very powerful. So Yeah, here you can see there's no detailing normally below in GT Spirit model. Here there is nothing underneath, so I would have loved to see the underneath of the car, similar to the actual car, but here we don't have it. Koenigsegg Gemera automotive AB. So this is a licensed product, and also limited by GT Spirit to 1500 units. This is 1/147th of those units. You can see the brake calipers. There also they have mentioned the branding of Koenigsegg. Now I don't know why have they mentioned raw over here. If you know the meaning, you can just comment on this video below. Nicely made, supremely done. So if you ask me the rating of the car, it's a 9.5. The points that I deduct is mainly for the underneath detailing, and also the obvious thing that you cannot open the car. There is not a single part which can be opened. You cannot go to the details of the car. Like, you cannot see the engine fully. It is definitely visible, but it's not the way like in other diecast models. But whatever that they have done is spectacular. It's truly true to the real car. It's superb. In fact, one very iconic thing in this car is this huge wiper. The design is very unique. A single wiper in such a huge windshield, straight from the design lab. So futuristic. Thank you for watching the video, and do subscribe. There are many viewers who are not subscribing. Kindly do that so that the channel can grow, and I continue to frequently bring around this love of cars and also help you take good buying decisions if you are a avid car collector. Thank you for staying tuned. Ciao. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.